Well, hi everybody, Ray Wood here for Best Agents, and we've been getting a lot of email traffic in the last month or so from agents looking for more information about Facebook marketing that actually gets results. So that's what we've been focusing on probably for the last couple of years. So in this video, I'm going to actually show you, where have I written my notes here? Here we go. I'm going to show you how to set up 3 lead generating Facebook ads. I'm going to show you how we set up the visual ad, the copy, and the all-important landing page that captures the seller info and sends it directly to you for follow-up. So the mission is that you spend less time actually prospecting, looking under rocks for listings, door knocking, whatever, and more time following up with people that actually want to hear from you. So this is a prospecting method that you can use that you can actually scale to win more listings and more sales. So let's take a look individually at these ads. I'm going to show you the copy, which is right here. So this is just sample copy. Ocean Grove's real estate market is running hot right now. So we can, the graphic here is really doing the heavy lifting for us. People can see that the market is up 36%. We're telling them that. The larger dots obviously indicate the higher price properties, the smaller dots, the smaller ones. And social media has really taught us to be visual animals, so we're looking more at the visuals. Our eyes are drawn more to the visual than the copy. So I think the eye normally goes, okay, we're onto the visual from a marketing point of view. Next, we're looking at the copy to find out what it's all about. Okay, I'm interested, so I'm clicking on the virtual market update link below. Now, if I click that, it will take me to this page here, and it's simply inviting the clicker to find out how much their property is worth in Ocean Grove or in Barwon Heads, and they complete that information. And when they complete that information and they click order down here, that is automatically sent to Jason, who owns this ad. As you can see, Jason Bermstrow from Hodges in Ocean Grove. G'day, Jason. And that information sent to Jason for follow-up. So all he needs to do is set up this ad, and he is off to the races. Ad number 2 is a little bit different, and it's actually an ad for buyers. And you're going to say, Ray, don't you know that the market's booming and buyers are falling out of trees? Hey, I'm aware of that. I know exactly what's going on. The reason that we do this is because many buyers are actually sellers. So what we're doing is kind of a reverse way. We're giving buyers some attention and some care. And it's kind of a reverse way to attract sellers because, as I said, 20 to 30% we're finding of buyers are actually sellers. So you want to get these names and this contact info into your funnel. So here we go. Our complimentary buyers support program not only keeps you posted on recent sales, you'll also be the first to discover new homes as they hit the market. Click here to get started. Now, when they click on that link, it automatically takes them straight to this online buyer support program where they jump through a few hoops. So if they're not serious buyers, they're not going to be completing this. And you want to be making these relationships with potential buyers in your area. So when you do get a new listing, you can give them the heads up on what's going on. And also, they might be selling as well. So you can see down here, do you need to sell a property? Yes, maybe, or no. The third ad that we're looking at here is all around selling in the area. It's a visual, a lovely visual of the beach of Ocean Grove at Ocean Grove, and you can see here we've started with a testimonial, which is a pretty cool way of doing it. So I love testimonials or client reviews because instead of us telling the potential client how good we are, somebody else is actually doing the work for us. So in this case, if you're looking for the best agents in Ocean Grove, I promise you won't be disappointed. Damon Nash sold in Ocean Grove with Jason and Lauren. Find out how much your home is worth today. Now this actually leads to a third landing page that we've built for Jason and his business partner Lauren, and it looks like this. Nice and easy. The copy's on the left, the opt-in information is on the right, and all they need to do is complete that information. And when they click book your market update now, again, that information goes straight to Jason and Lauren. So you can see there are the 3 ads that we've completed. 1, 2, 3, and there's no reason why they can't be running at the same time to attract different sellers in different markets. And you can test them against each other and actually see which one is working, and then you can decide on your ad spend. So how do we create these visuals? Well, pretty easy actually. If we're creating, where are we? Here's the Ocean Grove is up. Now this is already a preset template inside of Jigglar, so you can actually grab this one inside of Jigglar. The other two are in our Jigglar Teams account for Best Agents members. If you're not a Best Agents member and you'd like to know more, email me with your postcode or area and I will let you know if it's available. Setting up this content is really easy. All you need to do is, if you want to just add another property, you can add something there like that, change it, edit it, do whatever you want to do. So if I want to make that's another sale there, say for 4.81, and there we go. It's that easy. And all you need to do there is save it, and it's saving. Then all you need to do is download the jiggle, and you download it as a JPEG straight there like that, and that just takes seconds, and that's automatically done. The second ad that we did is this image here. So what I did is I found a lovely image online. Now be careful with the images. You need to own them or you need to purchase them. If you're looking for a good beach image, you can go to a site called unsplash.com, where you can either buy or get images for free. So that's a pretty cool way to get images. But that's exactly what we did there. So I found the image, I uploaded it, and I put my copy there, and it didn't really look as sharp as I wanted to. So I set this type up over the image. I wanted it to stand out just a little bit more. So what I did in this case is I grabbed simply a shape and I put it over the whole thing like that, and I made it a darker color like so, and I click select to keep it. Then I wound back the transparency so I can get a better look at my image behind it. Now at this stage, this image here is, you can see down there, it's still in front of the type, right, of the white type. So I put that over, and while this is highlighted, I simply clicked move down, and it moved it straight down, and there's my image. So same thing, I save, and it's going to save it into my jiggles, and I download it as well as a JPEG. Bang, download it as a JPEG, and again, that's only seconds. The third one, okay, this is the one, okay, same thing, this is where I got an image, and I did the same thing here. I put some copy together, pretty quick and easy, and I just got a circle, and again, you can see how I've wound the transparency of that circle right down, so my copy stands out a little bit stronger and sort of draws the eye to it. So so it's that easy. If you'd like to know more, if you'd like to set up some Facebook advertising, you can do this on a shoestring. Let me know. We'll find out if your area is available. Now, just a disclaimer. Yes, the leads come in and they work, but they need to be followed up. There is no magic to prospecting, or there's no magic to social media marketing and having leads come through and listings fall in your lap. It can happen. People can call you and say, hey, I'm ready to sell, can you come around? But for the large part, you're putting potential sellers into the top of your funnel, you're nurturing them, then converting them to listings and sales. So that's the scoop, that's the mission, and that's the message from me. Like I said, if you'd like any more info, please reach out, let me know. Dream big and take names.